Welcome to Seagull Beach Resort, designed exclusively for families and couples seeking an unforgettable experience. Find all the details, including booking information, in the description or by scanning the QR code on screen now. Let me paint you a picture of paradise. At Seagull Beach Resort, every detail is crafted to ensure your stay is filled with joy and relaxation. Entertainment is at the heart of the experience. Imagine evenings spent dancing the night away at our vibrant nightclub or enjoying cocktails under the stars at our bar. For those seeking tranquility, our spa offers rejuvenating massages, hot tubs, and saunas, perfect for unwinding after a day of exploration. We've got fun and games too. Challenge friends in the games room or settle in for a movie in the shared lounge. Karaoke facilities are also available, perfect for unleashing your inner star and creating lasting memories filled with laughter. Surrounded by beautifully landscaped gardens, you'll also discover peaceful spots to relax and soak in the stunning views of Hurghada. As sports enthusiasts, we have you covered too. Enjoy water sports, volleyball, and tennis to keep you active. Seagull Beach Resort truly offers an unparalleled entertainment experience for both families and couples. Don't forget to check out the description or scan that QR code again for booking details. We can't wait to welcome you.